Hola, hello, hi. My name is Emilio Veladiez, but I'm also known as Dr. KLINAVICH. Today I want you to think about a planet, but not any planet. The blue planet. Do you know which one it is? It's not Mars, it's not Venus. Okay, let me give you another clue. There is a lot of people living on it, people like you and like me. Yes, you're right. We're going to talk about planet Earth. Why we call it the blue planet? It has 3/4 of its surface covered with water. Oceans, seas, rivers, lakes. Almost the 80% of the oxygen we breathe are provided by the oceans. More specific, by tiny green particles of phytoplankton called prochlorococcus. That gives you a glimpse of how important is the water. There is plenty of life under the water. We need to protect it and care about it. Do you know the problems in our planet? We have 3 big problems. First, the air pollution. It is due because of the transportation, industry and animal agriculture. Second, landfills. It's because of the bad management of waste. But today we are going to talk about marine trash, marine debris. Plastic in the ocean is killing dolphins, whales, orcas, seals, and also important coral reef and crabs. I love crabs, they are so funny, right? Acidification of the ocean is due to the excess of CO2 concentration and is degrading all the structure of calcium carbonate, like coral reefs and crustaceans. This acidification is due to human activity and our insane consumption and pollution. Let me tell you a secret about plastic. Plastic is a material that doesn't degrade within time in the nature. It just breaks down into smaller pieces and it can get so small that fishes just swallow it because they can see it. Do you imagine that? Eating plastic? Disgusting. Plastic can live forever. Sometimes it gets lost in the deep waters, sometimes travels long distance with the marine currents, and there is a way we can stop this. We have invented a machine that can change everything. Imagine that you can shred the trash and turn it into new objects. We can transform all the plastic into a brand new clipboard, like this. See? Like this you are helping the plastic to be useful for a long time and not get into the ocean. What else can you do with all these plastics? Imagine collect trash from the beach and create some new toys. Would it be awesome? Yeah, we did it. We collect all the trash and spread it into new spinners. I know you think this is kind of a dark magic thing, but no, this is science. We have designed and built 3 machines that can be easily put together. Here are some steps of the process. First, we study the options. Second, we design the blueprints. And third, we actually ask people who know how to build these things. Fourth, we went to the beach and do a cleanup. Yes, we went to a KLINAVICH. Single-use plastic is everywhere. Water bottles, bottle tops, wrapping, food packagings, candies, Q-tips and anything you can think of. Even clothes are made with polyester that is kind of plastic. In BIOagradables, we like to gather people on Sundays and do a beach cleanup. We think that when people touch the problem with their own hands, they are more aware about the problem. Volunteers are excited every time we go to the beach because it is an opportunity to do something positive for our environment, and it is a nice way of spending a Sunday morning. You can see all the photos and videos of our work in our social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube. Every day we collect almost 200 kilos of trash from the beach. That's a lot of trash. 60% of it is plastic. So, it is 120 kilos of plastic more or less every month removed from the beach. We also work with the schools, companies and universities offering these kind of activities, focusing on environmental education and how can we reduce our impact on the planet. Let me tell you some truths about plastic. It is a material that was designed to last forever. Thanks to the plastic, we have invented airplanes, cars, smartphones. Also, medical equipment is more affordable because of the plastic. When we use it in that way, plastic is fantastic. But it's not cool when you throw it to the streets. It's not cool when you use single-use plastic. Because it's useful for 5 minutes and then what? Probably it will end up in the land, in the ocean, or maybe, only if we are lucky and the system works, it will end up in a recycling plant. We all are part of the solution. People like you can make a difference. People who cares about the ocean, people who cares about the planet. Because if we don't have a planet, well, you know, dead. Anyway, we need to learn how to reduce this single-use plastic. How can we do it? Reusable or glass bottles are better than single-use plastic. And it tastes better. Fabric bags for going shopping to your local store, it is more sustainable for the economy and for your plastic diet. Always try to buy local, buy without plastics, but most important of all, refuse to single-use plastic, please. Reject plastic bags. Rethink the way you can consume in order to reduce the plastic footprint. At the end of the day, you will feel fantastic. Listen to Dr. KLINAVICH, because I know about plastics. Thank you.